I'll give you some calculation time. We sleep for 8 hours a day. आप बोलते हैं कि मैं 6 घंटा सोता हूं, तो जब बचपन में छोटे थे तब 10 घंटा सोते थे, जब बड़े होंगे वृद्ध होंगे तभी 10 घंटा सोएंगे. The average will come down of the whole life as 8 hours a day. So of the 24 hours you sleep for 8 hours a day, that means 1/3 of the day you are sleeping. Yes or no? 24 divided by 3 is 8. Rather, divided by 8 is 3. So 1/3 of the day you sleep. That is directly proportional that 1/3 of the life you will sleep. Yes? Balance sheet में मिलता है ना? That means if you live for 70 years upon this earth, 1/3 of your life, 23 years of your life is going to be in bed sleeping. You don't know whether you exist or not. 23 years of your life out of 70 years is going to be in sleep. You don't know whether you exist or not. You just have a 90-second brush and more than 100 days of your life goes in brushing your teeth. Now I am not giving you the calculation of the time you spend in front of the mirror. आगे से आप अपने आप को देखते हो, पीछे से देखते हो, इस तरफ से देखते हो, अब कुछ फर्क नहीं होने वाला है. Actual time with you is very less. Very less. If you are not conscious about living a balanced life, you can be a big loser in life. Warren Buffett, the richest investor upon this earth, with an investment of more than $100 billion. On his 50th marriage anniversary, the couple was sitting on the dais and 50 parties were arranged by the 63 CEOs of Berkshire Hathaway, the flagship company. And the concluding party was in London and was attended by more than 30 heads of states of Europe and Africa and America. Very dignified crowd. And everybody was sharing their experiences with the couple. Some with the work, some with the foundation, whatever. A gentleman, he must be a chartered accountant. He raised his hand and said, if you don't mind, can I ask you a very simple question to the couple? The couple said, fine. And he asked, sir, what is the secret of your happy married life of 50 years? See, he had used the adjective happy before married life. What is the secret of your happy married life of 50 years? And before Warren Buffett could start answering in the microphone, his wife, she pulled over the microphone and said, I would like to answer this question. That pulling of the microphone and not a single change of wrinkle on Warren Buffett's face, 50% of the answer the people got from this act, how they would have continued for 50 years. Now listen carefully. Warren Buffett's wife, she said, in our 50 years of married life, there has not been a single day where me, my husband and our children, thereafter our grandchildren, and thereafter today our great-grandchildren, we have not sat for dinner together at 8 p.m. I am talking of the world's richest man and the richest investor. Unless and until he is traveling out. Rest of the family, they sit together at 8. Now put a hand on your chest and ask yourself, how many times in a week you sit for dinner together with your family? Then the second point, she said, there has not been a single day in our 50 years of married life that me and my husband Warren Buffett, we have not gone out for half an hour of walk in the evening after dinner. Third, she said, there has not been a single day where me and my husband, we have not sat together to tuition our children. Thereafter we tuitioned our grandchildren, and today we are teaching at the age of 73 our great-grandchildren, teaching them numericals and alphabets. And you are sending your children and grandchildren to tuition classes or tuition centers, coming back home to teach them just because you could afford tuition money and Warren Buffett must not be affording, isn't it? When they were asked why, she said, we want to transmit our family values to the next generation. They must know the tradition and the culture of this family. So we spend quality and quantity time with our family members. So this is called a balance sheet of life, well maintained. For that, when Warren Buffett was asked, he said, that from 9 to 6, I am a businessman. From evening 6 to 9, I am a family man. And from 9 to 10:30, I am a personal spiritual entity. This is balance of life. He said that I shut off my mobile at 6 p.m. in the evening. He throws his pen on the table at 6 p.m. and gets up. And somebody asked, any client after that? He said, I tell them, you can come tomorrow at 10. My office hours are 9 to 6. And you keep your mobile phones on till 11 p.m. and 12 midnight. Till the last time you go on the bed, and still after getting on the bed you check. Are you expecting a call from the PM's office? That because I am a chartered accountant, I know much about 2G, 3G, coal scam, maybe a bit about Rafale deal. And so sometimes if a JPC is formed, Joint Parliamentary Committee, and the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi would call me, that being a chartered accountant, you know so much of these things, I want you to be on the JPC. Are you expecting a call? आपको वो जानते भी नहीं है. आप चेक करना, रात को 8-9 बजे के बाद जो मैसेजेस आते हैं उसमें कोई इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, वो सब कचरा ही है. इट्स ऑल गार्बेज. द बिगेस्ट गार्बेज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज व्हाट्सएप. गार्बेज आते रहते हैं. व्हाई आर यू पुटिंग योर माइंड इनटू इट, ignoring your family? After 7 p.m. your family has absolute right on your time. Am I right or wrong? ये मत सोचना कि पैसे कमाते मैं फैमिली को लग्जरी देता हूं बस, दैट इज माय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. नो, टाइम गिविंग इज द बिगेस्ट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. अभी हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में एक सर्वे हुआ. व्हाट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट जॉय अपॉन दिस अर्थ? 110 countries surveyed, more than 1 lakh families across caste, creed, color, region, nationality surveyed over a period of 8 years. And the principal question was, what according to you is the biggest joy upon this earth? You would be surprised that 67% of the respondents, they said that spending quality and quantity time with your near and dear ones whom you love and who love you is the greatest joy upon this earth. Include this joy of family time in your balance sheet, and it is a well-maintained balance sheet. आप रात को 9 बजे 11 बजे घर पहुंचते हो. Exclude 8 holiday weekends of the month, that is 8 days apart from 30, that comes to 22. Another 4 days if you go back home after 9 p.m, fine, you had some work in emergency. Another 4 days you go after 8, it's fine, it was traffic, some work. Rest 16 to 18 days you should be by 6:30 or maximum 7 with your family. Only then you can be labeled as you are a good manager of work and time. Otherwise रोज आपको रात 9, 9:30, 10 बज जाते हैं घर जाने में. तो let me tell you frankly on your face that you are a very very poor manager of time and money. बैलेंस रखते हैं. कुमार मंगलम बिरला का इंटरव्यू ऑफ टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में पढ़ना, मेरे पास वो कटिंग है. Kumar Mangalam Birla, the chairman of the Aditya Birla Group, a 5 lakh crore conglomerate from salt to software. Him and his wife were interviewed by the Times of India on some occasion, and they were asked, how do you manage your time between your office, work, travel time, meetings, social time? You live in the town in South Mumbai, so you must be having at least 5 invitations every day. They said yes. How are you managing it? Kumar Mangalam's wife, she said, now listen very carefully. She said, now I'm quoting her not just word to word but letter to letter. She said that there is a custom in the Birla house that everybody has to deposit their mobile phone with the mother at 8 p.m. Even Kumar Mangalam Birla has to. ये कक्षा के परिवार जीवन समझते हैं. ये कक्षा के बिजनेसमैन वो बैलेंस रखते हैं जीवन में. And the interviewer was shocked. Sir, then what do you do after 8 p.m? As if life does not exist without a mobile. This gadget is made to serve you, and we have become the slaves of it. Consciously or unconsciously, if our hand doesn't touch the mobile phone every 3rd minute in the pocket, we get discharged. And what do you do after that? The interviewer asked, and she said that at 8 p.m. everybody sits for dinner. It's a 45-minute dinner time. After 8:45 to 9:30, we just are there chatting, talking of the day's happenings, or the history of the family, or some planning of the coming occasion, event. Then at 9:30, the mother, that is Aditya Birla's widow, Kumar Mangalam's mother, she gives from her pouch the mobile phone back to every individual. Even Kumar Mangalam has to get it. And then it is given to us for only 10 minutes to check urgencies or emergencies. Then we have to place our mobile back on the table. Then we are into our hobbies. Somebody may read a book, or somebody may watch a TV program or something like that. Somebody may chat with a friend, whatever. तो ऐसे परिवारों में भी बैलेंस ऑफ लाइफ है. If Warren Buffett can do it, if Kumar Mangalam Birla can do it, if you decide, can you give me a stronger one? You can.